From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 39th question of NECO 2025 is on angle of elevation. It says a hunter 1.5 meter tall observes the angle of elevation of a bird on top of a tree to be 60 degrees. If the hunter is 100 meters away from the bird, find the height of the tree correct to 1 decimal place. Now, if this is the tree, and this is the horizontal distance, and this is the hunter, and then this is his angle of elevation. This is his eye level. We are told that the hunter is 1.5 meter tall and the angle of elevation is 60 degrees, and he's 100 meters away from the bird. This is where the bird is. So we are asked to look for the height of the tree. We already know that this is 1.5 meter, and so the height of the tree, let's call this h. So h is just from here to this. So the height of the tree will be h plus 1.5 meter. That's the height of the tree. And so we'll use opposite over hypotenuse, which is sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Sine 60 is h over 100, and h is 100. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2, and 2 can go into 100 50 times, so h is 50 root 3. And so the height of the hunter, is simply 50 root 3 plus 1.5, and this will give us 88.102 meter, and that is B. Thank you for watching.